Hey everybody, this is Calvin Waite. I trade crypto for a living. I'm not a registered or licensed financial advisor, planner, or broker, so nothing on this channel should be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell. I also trade all of these things, so I probably have a vested interest in there. But there's plenty of entertainment value and lots of education, so this will be awesome. For those of you who didn't know, my subscription channel is live. So look at the link in the description over at cryptoinfluencers.com and you can see how I make all of my trades and what I do and what I think about everything. This channel is for more hypothetical and looking at trends, and the other one is for actual trading, so you might be interested in that. Hey, you guys. I wasn't sure if I'd get a video out or not, just being a crazy Saturday, but I wanted to do one really quick, so hopefully this will be a shorter video. But I did want to make a quick mention of a couple of things that I'm starting to see on the daily chart, just so you can see where my mind is at. I know that we are on the same move. Like, this is 100% one move. And I've been currently looking for some kind of reversal candle or something to say that maybe we're going to stop and take a rest. I'm looking for an actual pullback and have not seen one yet. So this is where we are. Well, we've had a couple of attempts. This was potentially a turnaround point. This one was potentially a turnaround point. And when both of these did not come to fruition because of this move, this one is. This is a topping candle. Not to say that it'll be 100%. It just has a higher than 50% chance that it is. But we're definitely being patient and waiting. There's nothing, I'm not making any trades on this candle, even though it does appear to be a reversal candle. Part of the reason is that our 4 hour is still way high, and our 1 hour, we just barely dipped below the 20, but these lower time frames, they're just not as reliable. So I would need to see kind of a decent shift, and I don't trade on Sunday, and I don't see anything here, so I'm just going to let it go till Monday, and we'll kind of catch up where we are. There is something that is happening though. If you can see, we have done nothing but go straight up, right? Well, the RSI is starting to come down. Whenever you see the RSI or overbought or oversold indicators decreasing while price is increasing, so from this point, we have this high here, and we're going straight up to a higher high. This is moving straight up. From that same point on the RSI, we're moving down. So this is a bearish divergence. So we have evidence that we are losing momentum, and that that we should have a turnaround of some kind. And I don't know what it'll look like, but we're definitely pretty high. Anything over 70 is pretty high. And so I'm looking to see if this might possibly be a turnaround. The one thing that we have tomorrow, so less than a day, we have our weekly close. And there is a lot of incentive for us to hit a candle body on this line, which is at 22,675. That's where this line is. So we could even come back about $200, and this would still be a pretty incredible close. Breaking out above this falling wedge would be money. It would be major. But I'm just kind of taking it one step at a time. I know that we're pretty hot. We have been for 2 weeks now, and just waiting for an actual pullback. Whatever that actual pullback looks like, I'll be very excited to jump in and let this rodeo go. But that's kind of what I'm seeing. The divergence on other coins is more dramatic. So if I go to Ethereum, you can see how we've moved up here, and it's very visible, the drop in the RSI right here. So higher highs and then lower highs. So it would be good for us to have a cooling off period. If we are looking at a golden cross very soon. I'm talking within less than a month, less than 3 weeks probably. I drew our estimates on Bitcoin. Bitcoin will likely have a golden cross by February 9th or 10th. And if so, oftentimes when you're way above a golden cross, you'll pull back into the cross. Whether you get actually that low or not is debatable, but we will probably pull back at some point, and that pullback is my long-awaited and greatly anticipated entry point. So anyway, good times. We're just letting things roll. You can see the 50 is actually outpacing my line, but that's because we're so high. If we pull back at all, we'll probably jump back in. So I think my estimate's probably pretty accurate. All right, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoy your evening and your Sabbath tomorrow. I will catch you all on Monday. Thanks for making it to the end of my video. Make sure you keep those trades small. Don't force a trade. Don't get impatient. And if you want to see how all this works, please come over and check me out on the subscription channel at cryptoinfluencers.com. Again, the link is in the description.